welcome to another day in Living on the Edge. I want to invite you today to another cruise, and today we are on a different cruise line, which I don't think I ever had the chance to review before. Today I'm on Celebrity Apex, one of the newer ships from Celebrity Cruise Lines, and I'm very excited today to explore the infinity balcony room on Celebrity Apex. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did from the few minutes I just entered the room. So without further ado, let me take you to the tour around the room. Okay, so as always, of course, let's begin with the entrance to the room. Let's not forget, once again, this is a balcony category with infinity balcony. Very different style of room than what I experienced before. So let's take a look. As you enter, I am on deck number 12, and as you can see, the red dot is right there, pretty much in the middle of the ship, very close to the very top, deck 12, and this is room 194. So 12194. As you enter, let me take you around. This is your first impression of the room as you enter this beautiful stateroom. And of course, you have right here your thermostat, which is a touch based, and as you see, you have morning, movie, evening, sleep, some preset modes you can work on here. You can of course preset it for either Celsius or Fahrenheit, whichever works better for you. And you have your switches here for lights on and off. This will be the door to the bathroom and the commode area, and I will show you this in a second. Let's take a look around the room. So the bed is set as a king size bed from what I can see. I am not 100% certain this can be split into separate two beds. Please comment below if you experienced those before. This one is set as one bed. It is a very nice decor. I like the purple accent. Here are some welcome amenities. I received this tote bag here. I think a tiny gift from Effie, I think jewelry. So yeah, I got those things upon entering the room. And as we walk around, of course, we have our TV here. Very nice size for a standard, well, not exactly standard, but a balcony room. And we have the sofa bed here, which should accommodate another 2 guests. So this room can totally hold for 4 adults. And on this side we have some shelving, commode with some drawers. The white area will be your fridge and bar area, which I'll show you in a second. Of course, you have the full length mirror here, a desk here, and it's very unique feature with this desk, which I'll show you in a moment. And of course, you have your infinity balcony here with 2 chairs. You have your lamp, which you can use here right next to the sofa. And this is the view of the room from this angle. So let's take a look at the drawers. We have a total of 3 drawers over here. This is the top one. I do like that they come all the way out, so you can use it very easily without needing to actually access it underneath this area. So everything comes out very neatly and convenient. This is the second one, slightly deeper, and the third one would be the same way. Yep. You have this door, which is your fridge with some drinks here. I'm pretty sure those are for additional charge, since I have the room service menu over here. Let's close this. I do like how they made this charging station, because you can open this, and as you can see, you have a few outlets over here. You have the regular European 220 volts, 110, 2 of those for the US ones, and of course you have the USB plugs here, and you can close it and you still have the access for your cable, so it keeps everything very tidy and neat. And again, this is your table. And there are a few things here that were left from the concierge and some information, but let me show you. So this chair can be, of course, moved out. And let's move those together, just so you guys can see how it works. I'll put those papers aside. But the very neat thing is that this table can be slid in to create some extra space, as you see. Hi guys. So you have now access for the full mirror and some extra space if you want to move around. And of course you have your mirror plugs over here, so if you want to turn it on or turn it off, it's very convenient. And as I showed you before, this would be your bed, the nightstand with some storage on the underneath, well, on the sides of it. Yeah, the storage, additional storage actually comes here underneath the bed where you can store your luggage. I have mine there already. It's very, very tidy and modern, and to be honest, very welcoming. I do like this shelf here. Not a lot of functionality, but very, very pretty. So you have it here. You have additional storage right above it, over here, and you have additional storage right below, right there. They give you 2 umbrellas, so just in case you have a rainy day, you can of course use those. And over here you will have the access to your closet, additional full body mirror. Hello. You have 2 bathrobes, some hanging space, additional 3 drawers here. You're safe. Not big enough for a laptop, but big enough for any small items you might need. And of course you have some hanging area in here. Let's close that. And let me take you to see the bathroom. I'm actually really surprised because, well, first of all, let's start with that. There is no handle here, so it's magnetic. You see, you just slam it or close it. Let's not slam it, just to make sure it's safe. But we just open and close without any mechanism, the regular handles. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is very, very spacious for being a balcony room. I have to say that I just stayed in one of the suites on another cruise line, and my bathroom was probably smaller. So that's how it looks like. You have your walk-in shower here, very spacious. Your commode here, some shelving over here. Hi again. Very, very good size for the sink. I do like that. Some shelving here, and once again, this is how your walk-in shower looks like. Very spacious. I hope the camera transfers the information accurate enough. It feels much, much more spacious than the regular balcony rooms that I normally experience on other cruise lines. Now, because this is a concierge room, you would have your upgraded amenities, so that's what you get. Unfortunately, I have never used those, so I can't vouch for the quality of those, but it looks fancy and I like it. We have that. Whenever we have black color on the spa items, it make it look very luxurious, at least for me. And we have the Refresh, Rejuvenate, Celebrity Cruise. I think it's makeup removal. I don't think I'm gonna need it this time, but just in case you need it. So yeah, this is your bathroom, and let's walk around again. Now, something I really like is, of course, this balcony. So as you can see, this balcony basically extends the size of the whole room for additional sitting area here. And as of right now, it's basically just this room with some extra space there if you need to share the room or just want to have it. However, you can close those doors, and let's do it this way. So you close it here, and you close this door over here, and now, as you can see, you have an enclosed balcony. This is how your room looks like with those closed doors. Now, if you open those and you want to enjoy your balcony, whether with opened or closed doors, let's do it this way. You can use those buttons. So let's start with something first. Initially, if you want to go to bed and you're looking for a more darkening room so you can not wake up at 5 a.m. from the sunlight, we have the button here, and it will close this whole area pitch dark, which I really appreciate in my mornings. I'm very easy to be woken up from the slightest light. So let's see how it closes all the way down. It has those, basically, I don't know how you call them, like rails on the side of this curtain that makes this curtain go all the way in, as you see, so there's no space. And basically what you get is a very, very private and dark room. So for those who tell me, and I have quite a few people who tell me you have to try the interior room because they're pitch dark, there's no windows, they're wonderful, I think this room is the best of all worlds because it can be darkened without having to stay in interior room the whole time. So now let's open it. Here comes the sun. It's a little slow, but it's still okay. I like it. I do like that you can press the button and you don't have to keep holding it. Okay, so now when it's up and you actually want to enjoy the breeze of the ocean or anywhere you are with your cruise ship in any port, and basically have it more of a balcony feeling, you have this button, and when you press on that, your window slides down. It probably will get a little noisier because I'm in a port right now in Fort Lauderdale, so we can hear the port outside. Yeah, I just heard it. But here you go. Now you have your balcony set up, and that's how it looks like. So basically the room is very versatile, and you can choose however you want it to be. Well, friends, this was the tour of the Celebrity Apex Concierge Class Infinity Balcony. So many titles to one room. It is a very, very pretty room in my opinion. It's very eye-pleasing. I very enjoy the versatility of this balcony. It can be used as anything you pretty much want. It can be your balcony, can be your room with a window, can be privacy for some area outside of a room, can extend the size of your room just because it feels much bigger with the open doors. So basically you decide how you want to use this room. I do enjoy the size of the bathroom, and the decor of it is very pleasant. The storage amount seems to be right. I'm not sure if it's enough for 4 people, but we'll see how it works for the next 7 nights. The cruise ships so far have been very beautiful and very pleasing to the eyes. As a concierge guest, we also enjoyed a welcome lunch in one of their restaurants, which was very, very nice. We really appreciated that. So all around, we're very, very excited for the upcoming 7 nights. If you have any comments, likes, dislikes, or your own opinion on your experience on this or other ships, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me do what I do. And as always, I'm your Hedge, and until next time.